Hello dear students. In previous lecture we have studied about water absorption by the plant, water absorption, how water is getting absorbed by the plants. So we have studied about that roots. Roots are the water absorbing organs of the plants, and there are two ways of absorption, that are diffusion and bulk flow. So diffusion is the one way, bulk flow is the another way. So that is clear to us. If anybody has not attended that lecture, please see previous video under previous section of the SPM app. So video is available. Let me off the camera and we will go toward the next topic, that is root pressure. So I have off the camera and simply we will move toward the next part, that is root pressure. Under this point is coming, this point is given under water absorption. So simply we have studied about water absorption. What is water absorption is now known to us, how water is being absorbed, what are the physiological strategies of water absorption. That topic is clear to us. Now we are simply moving to the sub point from the same article, that is root pressure. So that is the pressure generated in the roots of the plants. This term root pressure was given by this scientist Stephen Hales, who is considered as father of physiology, प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी. प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी का फादर इन्हें कहा जाता है, स्टीफन हेल्स जी को. लेट अस स्टार्ट टॉपिक, एक्चुअल टॉपिक. If one condition is given, please see what is written there. If stem of well watered herbaceous plant, if you take any herbaceous plant that is well watered, and the stem of well watered herbaceous plant is cut off just above the soil. If suppose here is a plant, if this is a plant, any herbaceous plant, so suppose you are cutting this plant stem, this is the stem. So if you are cutting the stem just above the soil, ये soil है, so if you cut it just above the soil, so what will happen, that you have to think about that. You should think over this. What will happen if we cut the stem of well watered herbaceous plant? So I have provided too much water to this, sufficient amount of water is provided to this, suppose well watered plant is there. So too much water is given, and if this stem is cut at this place, at this portion, so what will happen? The things are coming into your mind. What will happen? So you will simply say, sir, water will come out of this. So water will be coming out through this, through that cut portion. So there will be exudation of water. You might have seen this about in a case of your cucurbits, especially cucurbits, like many cucurbits are having this type of property. If you cut stem of cucurbits, so there will be exudation of water exuded from the stem. Water is coming out of the stem. Why this water is coming out of the stem? So Here answer is given. This is question and this is answer. Answer of first question is given here. Exudation of sap. So sap will be exuded from that, and exudation of sap, this clearly indicates that there is positive pressure in the xylem. You must know about this. Xylem is a complex tissue found in plant that is meant for conduction of water and minerals. Water and minerals. This is the function of xylem. So there is presence of positive pressure in the xylem. In xylem tissue there is positive pressure, and due to this positive pressure, that xylem sap, you say simply it water, but it is not water, because there is water and minerals mixed. There are also food molecules. So soluble food molecules are also there. So water is mixed with minerals forming a sap. So there is exudation of sap, outwardly movement of the sap from that cut portion. So exudation of sap, what does it mean? What does it indicate? It indicates that there is presence of positive pressure in the xylem. You should be logically clear with this. Magnitude of this pressure, if you want to calculate, if you want to measure how much pressure is there in that xylem tissue, so simply it can be measured. Magnitude of this pressure can be measured by applying manometer. Manometer is a device. Manometer is a device. So you can apply it to a root cut surface of the root, and you can measure simply what is the reading and what is the pressure. So don't forget this in MCQ type of questions, and in also your entrance examination, further entrance examination question might come on this. This pressure, so that is positive hydrostatic pressure generated in xylem. So this pressure is called root pressure. Don't forget this. If question comes in examination, what is root pressure? So you simply write that if a stem of well-watered herbaceous plant is cut off just above the soil, so there will be exudation of sap, that indicates there is a positive pressure in the xylem. Simply this is called root pressure. This is because of root pressure. This exudation, outwardly movement, exudation of xylem sap is due to pressure in the roots actually, and that pressure is known as root pressure. Simple case is there. Nothing is like rocket science. So this pressure is known as root pressure. Why? Because forces that gives rise exudation that are originated in roots. जो कोई फोर्स तैयार हो रहा है वो पहले रूट में तैयार हो रहा है और बाद में वाटर xylem sap is given out through that cut surface, because the first force is originating in roots. So this pressure is more probably referred to as root pressure. Simple case is there. Don't forget, remember throughout this. This pressure, what will be the value? So root pressure can as high as 0.5 megapascal. 0.5 megapascal तक ये हो सकता है, इतना वैल्यू इसका हो सकता है. Don't forget this also. These roots absorb ions from dilute soil solution. जो कुछ भी dilute soil solution है उससे roots absorb करते हैं ions को. You know different types of ions, cations, anions. So these are ions present in the soil solution are being absorbed by the roots, and they are transported them into the xylem. So roots are transporting, firstly absorbing, and then they are transporting these ions into the xylem. Due to this, what is happening? Positive hydrostatic pressure is generated within the roots. Root के अंदर ये सारी प्रक्रिया होने की वजह से पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर जनरेट होता है। बात देखो क्या चल रही है। रूट्स पहले तो एब्सॉर्ब करेंगे, क्या एब्सॉर्ब करेंगे? आयंस एब्सॉर्ब करेंगे सर। सो फ्रॉम डाइल्यूट सॉइल सॉल्यूशन, सो आयंस आर बीइंग एब्सॉर्ब, तो आयंस एब्सॉर्ब कर लिए रूट्स ने। इसका मतलब क्या है? रूट के अंदर, जाइलम के अंदर जो कुछ भी वाटर है उसके अंदर आयंस का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ा। आयंस का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ा यानी कि साई पी बढ़ा, प्रेशर पोटेंशियल, सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल दोनों भी बढ़ते हैं। सो ड्यू टू दिस पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर इज जनरेटेड विद इन द रूट्स। रूट्स के अंदर पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर बढ़ता है, ज़्यादा हो जाता है। इसकी वजह से जो वाटर एंड मिनरल्स in the form of ions are absorbed by the roots, they are pushed upward, these are transported in upward direction to the stem. Solutes in the xylem sap, these decrease water potential. बात देखो, ये एक लॉजिकल बात है। क्या होता है? इफ solutes are increasing, that means solute potential is increasing. I was telling you what will happen if suppose this is a beaker simply, and if I take pure water, so water potential of pure water at normal temperature and pressure is 0. We refer it as 0 megapascal. If I add some solute in this we have cleared in first lecture also. If I add some amount of salt solute in this, so free water molecules present in this beaker will get decreased. That means water potential will decrease because free energy associated with the water molecules will get decreased. So if solutes in xylem are there, xylem sap, so this decreases water potential. Water का potential कम कर देंगे by joining to water molecules. Driving force तैयार होता है इसकी वजह से. So what first thing we have studied here, we are counteracting here. Solutes in the xylem, the decrease water potential. सोल्यूट्स जो प्रेजेंट है xylem sap में, वो वाटर पोटेंशियल को डिक्रीज कर देते हैं। वाटर पोटेंशियल डिक्रीज कर देते हैं, इसका मतलब क्या कर देते हैं? दे डिक्रीजेस फ्री वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, दे डिक्रीजेस फ्री एनर्जी एसोसिएटेड विद द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो दिस becomes a driving force for water absorption. So what will happen there if solutes in the xylem sap there were decreasing water potential? So more water will be absorbed into the roots because outside the roots water potential is more and inside the roots water potential is less, decreased, due to which water will move from outside to inside the roots according to the where more water potential is present. So this becomes a driving force for water absorption and water is absorbed by the roots. In turn, it generates positive hydrostatic pressure in the xylem. सो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है? पहले तो क्या हुआ, सोल्यूट होते हैं जाइलम सैप में, उसकी वजह से वाटर पोटेंशियल डिक्रीज हुआ, ड्यू टू विच मोर वाटर विल बी एब्सॉर्ब फ्रॉम आउटसाइड बाय द रूट्स. रूट ज़्यादा वाटर का एब्सॉर्प्शन करेंगे और इस एब्सॉर्प्शन के दौरान क्या होगा? इट जनरेट्स पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर इन जाइलम. जितना ज़्यादा पानी रूट के अंदर आएगा उतना ज़्यादा हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर, टर्गर प्रेशर बढ़ेगा. सो इन जाइलम देयर विल बी increased hydrostatic pressure, generation of positive hydrostatic pressure. This root pressure is most likely to occur. root pressure पैदा कब होता है? So root pressure is most likely to occur when soil potential are high and transpiration rates are slow. Transpiration means what? Transpiration, that is loss of water from leaves, loss of water from leaves in form of vapor, water vapor. So water is lost, that you have studied in your 11th 12th classes. 9th 10th के लिए 9th 10th के लिए भी ये है ट्रांसपिरेशन. तो वाटर का लॉस होता है थ्रू द लीव्स, मोस्टली थ्रू द लोअर एपिडर्मिस, थ्रू द स्टोमाटा. बट हमारा पॉइंट ये है कि रूट प्रेशर कब पैदा होता है. सो रूट प्रेशर इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू अकर. कब पैदा होता है? व्हेन soil water potential are high. So more water potential is there in soil water, and transpiration rates are low. ट्रांसपिरेशन लो होना चाहिए, ट्रांसपिरेशन लो होगा. इसका मतलब क्या है कि वाटर का लॉस फ्रॉम द प्लांट is low, but outside the roots in soil there is more water, free water. So this condition generates a root pressure, positive hydrostatic pressure inside the roots. When transpiration rates are high, अलग कंडीशन, अब कंडीशन चेंज हो रही है. अगर ट्रांसपिरेशन हाई है, so there will be more water loss from the plant in the form of vapor. So more and more water will be lost through the transpiration. Then what will happen? So then water is taken up so rapidly into the leaves and lost to the atmosphere. अगर transpiration rates high होंगे तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वाटर absorb किया जाएगा and through the leaves ये water लॉस किया जाएगा into the atmosphere. So during this time positive pressure is never developed in the xylem. इस कंडीशन में positive pressure is never developed in the xylem because all the water absorbed by the roots will be directly fastly transported to the leaves and it being lost. तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा रूट प्रेशर, पॉजिटिव प्रेशर, हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर इन द जाइलम तैयार होने का कोई भी संभावना नहीं है, क्योंकि जो कुछ भी वाटर है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लॉस हो रहा है, उसका लॉस हो रहा है. इसकी वजह से पॉजिटिव हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर पैदा नहीं होगा. बट व्हेन ट्रांसपिरेशन रेट्स आर हाई, रूट प्रेशर पैदा कब होगा फिर? व्हेन देयर इज high water potential in the soil and transpiration rates are low, that we have studied in earlier point. So let us stop here. In next point we will study about that guttation. So please revise this point and go through the topic. If any doubt is there, please contact us. Thank you one and all.